The 5 best apps that you need as a YouTube creator. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 apps that I use the most in order to build and grow my YouTube channel. Let's jump onto my phone and let me go through the 5 apps that are going to make the biggest difference in your life. So the first app on our list is the YouTube Creator app. It's now called YT Studio. This is your YouTube studio in your mobile phone. And if you're a new creator on the platform, you definitely need to download this as your first app so that you can check and monitor the stats for every single video. I know how much you guys like to check your stats, check your subscribers, and see how many views you're getting on your new videos. So let me show you inside the app what you can see for each video. So we're going to jump inside the YouTube Studio app, and the first thing you're going to see is your subscriber count under your channel name. We're about to cross over that 9,000 mark, and we want you as the community to help us give us that push to get past that 10,000 mark. We're looking forward to putting together an amazing giveaway for that 10,000 milestone. So make sure we get there by supporting and smashing that subscribe button. The first data we're going to see inside your YouTube Studio app is the analytics. And they're going to show you your watch time, your views, your subscriber change, and your estimated revenue. Right below that, you're going to see your latest video performance. And what I really like about this latest video performance is they give you a ranking of your last 10 videos that you've released and how your video is performing against those 10. So you can see there next to ranking by views, this one is 6 out of 10. If we click into that, we can see in the first 6 hours and 38 minutes how each video has done in comparison to the videos around it. Then they're going to show you the views, average view duration, and watch time. Next, you're going to see a list of your videos that you can go into to see all of the videos you've released. And then at the bottom, you have your comments. Now I want to jump inside of your YouTube analytics just to have a brief view so you can see exactly what kind of stats we can look at. Now we've got overview, revenue, discovery, and audience. And the most important is that discovery tab. Where is YouTube helping you discover a new audience and getting your videos in front of new people so that you get more views and get those subscribers you guys are always looking for? So then you can see your impressions for all of your videos, your click-through rate, which we all know is so important, creating those awesome looking custom thumbnails and crafting those slick titles in order to increase your click-through rate and get more views on those videos that we've all worked so hard on. Next, we have our traffic source types. And then in the top external sources, you can see Google search. So that SEO, we always talk about that keyword research, that's so important. You can see that's working on our channel because our highest traffic source is YouTube search and the most external views we get is from Google search. We're really starting to roll in those views while we snooze. Another great feature to look at is your top YouTube search terms. What are your videos ranking for? What are people searching and actually wanting to watch videos about? You can see how to verify a YouTube account is doing really well at the moment. Let's jump back into your overview, then your real-time views for your top videos in the last 48 hours. Really nice to see. There's your watch time, which is so important for your audience retention. Your views, average view duration. You can see the revenue that you're making from ad revenue on your videos, your subscriber change, watch time from subscribers, likes, dislikes, and then your top videos on your channel. The second app that I want to share with you guys is TubeBuddy. Now, if you're a regular viewer here, you know how much we love TubeBuddy and the keyword research tool inside of TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy have a mobile app. So if you don't have the mobile app, make sure you download it on your phone. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below so that you can get hold of this amazing tool. And there's a really cool feature inside the app that lets you download photos of your milestones. So as you're crossing those subscriber milestones, those view milestones, and also the video uploads on your channel, you can then download that photo straight onto your phone, and then you can start uploading it to your social media like your Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So let's jump on the phone. Let me show you what that TubeBuddy app looks like once you're inside it. Now, the first thing you're going to see once we jump inside that TubeBuddy app is that subscriber count. We're on 8.99, so come on, smash that subscribe button. Next, you're going to see all of the videos on your channel and how they're performing. Now, the features that I really like inside this app is they give you a little bit of feedback on your comments and the likes on each video and how it's performing relative to your other videos. So you see a little green dot below your video means green for good and go. So we can see about 1 comment or like per 3.9 views on our latest video, and it's liked much more than disliked. Let's have a look at our Video Ranking Academy video with Sean Cannell, the champion. We've got about 1 comment or like per 6.8 views, and it's liked much more than disliked. We've got 238 views, 11 comments, and 24 likes. So it's all summarized there perfectly for you. In the next tab, if we click at the bottom, is your comments. So you can respond to comments quickly and easily, which is really useful to have as a feature to keep in contact with your community. Speaking about comments, I love hearing from you guys, so let me know in the comment section down below which is your favorite app that you like to use in order to optimize your time and performance on YouTube. Next is our milestones tab that I told you about. Here you can check your milestones. So we've just crossed 225 video uploads on the channel. We've just crossed over 2 million views, which is massive. We've reached 2 million people all over the world, which is really, really amazing. And then it's also got your subscriber milestones. We've just crossed over 8,500 and we're heading to 9,000, 10 more to go. So smash that subscribe button. Now the third app I'm going to share with you guys is Notion. Notion is an amazing note-taking app, but it's not just a note-taking app. You can do so much more. And a lot of YouTubers are starting to use it more and more in order to manage their entire workflow for their YouTube videos. So let's jump into Notion and let me show you a little bit about how it looks. I've set up my home page, so I've got links to all of my other notes. Now, part of my big goal for this YouTube channel is to create a life of freedom. So that's always at the forefront of everything that I'm doing. So I've got a reading list to help with my vision and goal setting. I've got a task list, a daily planner, and my weekly agenda. I've got my routine, my daily routine, the links to articles and YouTube videos that I want to watch, my goals and notes. And then in personal, I've got notes and drafts, my inner circle notes, and that's with our champion Sean Cannell, who helps us with YouTube tips and tricks. If you're interested in having a look at this, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. Next, there's writing, our 12-week challenge, nutrition, my links, finances, my plan projects, and work projects. Now, this is so awesome because you can link to different pages, and your different pages can be different things. It can just be a basic note-taking page, or you can turn it into a full spreadsheet, like even Excel spreadsheet inside the page, and you can mix and match with what you need to do, what's going to work for your workflow. It's a really amazing app that we use to manage all of our daily tasks, our goals, and the workflow for our videos on this YouTube channel. The fourth app I want to share with you guys that can help with your YouTube channel is Canva. Now, Canva is an amazing tool because it helps you create pictures that look really awesome. You can create your custom thumbnails for your YouTube channel, and you can create your social media posts to promote your videos to your audience and the people that love to follow you on social media. It's a quick and easy app to get going, and it's really awesome to create those Instagram bangers in a few seconds. Now we can click on one of the many templates that Canva have, and these templates are what save you time and help you create custom thumbnails and Instagram posts so quickly and easily. So I'm going to show you a quick Instagram post example. Now you can click on any one of their templates, and you can quickly and easily add text and add a background image to create a cool social media post in minutes. And then you can download that directly to your phone and upload it to your social media profile. Now you can also create custom thumbnails like this inside of Canva. And if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on how to create a custom thumbnail inside of Canva, you can click on a link and watch our full video and rundown on how to create your custom thumbnails inside of Canva so that you can get more clicks, increase that click-through rate, and get more views on your videos. And now for the most important app of all the 5 apps, this one is going to save you the most time and is the app that we've actually used the most for our YouTube channel to optimize our script writing and create these awesome videos for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video so far and you're really interested to find out what the most important app is, smash that like button. So the app that I'm talking about is called Otter, and what Otter does is it turns voice to text. So it types for you while you talk to it. You can either play a video, one of your past videos, and create an entire script from that video, or you can just talk into the app and it'll type it out, and then you can use this as the base of your script, and you can format and make it look good and make it flow a bit better so that when you are presenting on camera, it comes across a lot better and a lot more organized. It helps organize your thoughts and sort everything out so that you can present better once you are on camera. So let's jump inside of Otter and let me show you how easy it is to create scripts for your YouTube videos. So all you have to do is click on that record button on the bottom right hand side and it will start recording for you, and you can see now how quickly and easily and how accurate it really is when it's recording your voice. So I can talk into this app while I'm busy trying to script my YouTube videos, and it's going to read it out for me perfectly, write it out for me, and create the perfect script. So if you make a mistake like that, just like I did, then you can go back and edit it before you start your script and start actually recording your video, and it helps us save so much time instead of having to type out an entire script. And then when you're done, you can click stop and it's finished recording. It'll take a while to process that, and then you can export that into Google Docs and edit it and make it look really cool for your script. They're the 5 apps that we use the most for our YouTube channel. If there's an app that you use for your YouTube channel and we haven't mentioned it here, let us know what it is in the comment section down below. I'm really keen to check it out. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about starting and growing your YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because we create new videos every single week that are going to help you start and grow your YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.